Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of a subconscious resistance or psychological reversal to letting go of a particular negative emotion. It's actually very simple. This resistance just becomes the next thing that you focus on. So whenever you're stuck because of resistance, when you simply voice the resistance that is there or the possible resistance that is there, usually that is enough to release that resistance and your tapping will start to work again. So for releasing the resistance to getting rid of a particular emotion, you simply start by tuning into the emotion. So you might notice where you feel the feelings in your body, and you might be aware that this is frustration, or you might be aware that, well, this is shame, or you might be aware of, well, this is guilt. Whatever it is, you simply focus on it, and then you tap here. And we're just going to verbalize the most common reasons for not wanting to let go of that. By doing that, we're kind of addressing the resistance of the subconscious. And by acknowledging these possible resistances, it's like the subconscious says, okay, you know that I have reasons for why I think it's not a good idea to let go of that emotion. So then go ahead then. You know, it's not really how it works, but this is just an analogy. So here we go. So whenever I say emotion, you might be more specific by actually verbalizing what the emotion is. Right? So here we go. Say, so tune into the emotion, take a breath. Just observe the emotion, that's all. Alright, now repeat it to me out loud. Say, even though I don't want to let go of this emotion, and again, you might say frustration, shame, whatever, I want to try to accept myself anyway. Even though it might not be safe to let this emotion go, maybe I don't deserve to let it go. Maybe it's part of my identity. And I don't know who I would be without it. I can't let it go. But I do want to try to accept myself anyway. Even though even though there's a part of me that doesn't want to let go of this emotion, for whatever reason, I want to try to accept myself anyway. Good. Deep breath. Now that releases, in most cases, the resistance to letting go of the emotion. And when it doesn't let go of the emotion, then you need to look at, well, what's the downside of letting go of this emotion, or what's the upside of keeping it? And then you got to do a bit more detective work. But I'd say in more than 85% of the cases, this actually releases the resistance to letting go of the emotion. And once that resistance is gone, now you can put your focus on the emotion itself and start doing your tapping, and you'll start making progress there. All right? Hope it's helpful. Bye.